Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your iPhone 17 isn't detecting your headphones. So if you're using a wired headset, then first of all check the headphone port. Now the only headphone port available on your phone is USB-C, so just make sure that the headphone port on your iPhone doesn't have any lint or dirt or debris inside. Gently clean it with a small, dry, soft bristled brush. And once you do that, connect your headphones and ensure that they are firmly plugged into the port. If you have a case on your iPhone, try removing it to see if it's preventing a secure connection. And also inspect the cable of your headphones for any signs of damage and wear. If you are using a Bluetooth headset, then charge the headphones. Make sure that your Bluetooth headphones are fully charged or connected to power. Also, you can swipe down the control center on your iPhone and just simply try to toggle Bluetooth by turning it on and off again. And then if this doesn't help, you can go to Bluetooth settings, then find the device that you are connected to and try to repair it by tapping the information icon next to the device that you want to fix. Then select forget this device, confirm, and then add it again by tapping on it and try reconnecting to it. And if none of this helps, the general solutions for both cases will be toggling the airplane mode, which you can do by swiping down the control center, and then enabling the airplane mode by tapping on this icon, and disabling it in the same way. Okay, it was just a lag. I guess it's always problem that I didn't see that the airplane mode was enabled. Okay, and next you can simply try to restart your iPhone. To do that, hold down the power button and the volume up key at the same time and swipe the circle to the right, and then wait until your device is fully switched off. Once it's fully switched off, you have to press and hold the side button of your device until you see the Apple logo on your device's screen. Then you can release the power button and wait until your device is turned on. And if this solution doesn't work, what you can do is check for updates. Of course, before you check for updates, check for the internet connection, because you're gonna need it to install an update. So check if you're either connected to using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Let me connect to the Wi-Fi, since I can see I'm not connected. And once you are connected to the Wi-Fi, go to your settings menu and open general, open software update, then update this page by swiping it down and see if there are any updates for your device. If there are, of course, download and install them. This might take a while, but it's surely worth it, even if it doesn't fix your issue. After that, check if the problem was resolved, and then if nothing helps you solve this problem, the best solution would be to simply perform a reset, not the full reset, but the settings reset. To do that, you have to stay in the general section, scroll all the way down, select transfer or reset iPhone, select reset, and then reset all settings, then confirm. After that, you're gonna have to reconnect your headphones if you're using a Bluetooth headset, and you're also gonna have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi and by entering the password to it once again. So confirm, and then just wait until your device is restarted. Once your settings are reset, try repairing your Bluetooth headset or reconnecting your wired headset to your phone and see if the problem is fixed. If the problem still isn't fixed, then it might be a hardware problem at this point, and it's not something I can help you with. But in such case, you should contact Apple customer support. Just head to the nearest Apple store, or maybe the nearest Apple distributor around you, and tell them about this issue and let them take care of your device. Now, I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.